Our yoga squad is back again.
Oh my god. It's very dirty.
If you are flexible,
My thoughts are dirty.
up.
Ah.
9, 8.
Wrong. Namaste again.
Namaste. Namaste again.
This feels like we are going to sumo fight. This is not yoga.
Namaste proper honi.
Our yoga squad is back again. I hope he lost 4 kg, but he gained 7 kg in the evening party yesterday.
I don't know about 7 kg or 3 kg. The experience I tell you about yoga, I had a dealer in Philippines, not drug dealer, our company dealer. Before he is very friendly with me on video calls like like this. Yesterday I told, he said, why you did not pick my call? I said, I am in yoga session. The feeling of richness, you know, Elon Musk type, you Warren Buffett type. He gives so much respect to me. Oh my god.
Guys, jokes apart, but let me tell you, being a yoga teacher and following yoga myself spiritually also, I can say one thing for sure, that yoga is the most beautiful thing you can give to yourself, and this is true.
Yes.
There is no second thought, and this is not gym, this is not exercise, this is overall 360 degree. It is lifestyle, it is your health, it is your happiness. So let's start. So we will start with Om chant today. Sit in Ardha Sukhasana and touch your left heel with the perineum area. Place your right foot comfortably in front of it on the mat. Yes. So in this way, maximum portion of your body is touching the mat and you are more grounded. Spine is comfortably straight. You are not like this. Okay. Hands resting on the knees and observe your one breath. Now bring your both the hands to Gyan Mudra and let's chant one Om to start the session. Inhale. Open your eyes, and today we will start the warm up with butterfly. So join your both the feet.
This much close.
It's not about close. It's
Jahan
about
banna is-
where you are comfortable.
No, it's close.
It is like this if you can. Actually, butterfly is about hip opening, and Jahapana is very stiff from his hips. It simply means he stored so many unprocessed or not serving thoughts in his hip area. Our hip area is basically for storing the unresolved thoughts.
Angie,
Yes.
where you store thoughts? It's very dirty.
If you are flexible.
My thoughts are dirty.
Okay.
That's why they are stored in hip area.
Fly.
Yeah.
That's the importance of hip opening asanas in yoga.
No, I got rid of lot of bad thoughts
Straight spine.
by
No
doing
dal.
butterfly. Yes.
Spine
Straight spine. Expert.
Okay, release. Now press your both the knees with your hands. Chest out, look up and bend forward. Go as far as you can go. Inhale up. Exhale, go down again. We will move 3 times. Okay, this time we will go down and stay there 3 count. 1, 2, 3 and come up.
Yes.
ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਗਲਤ ਕਰਦਾ.
Yeah.
You do here, right? Not here.
Actually he will fall if you do this.
Chalo.
Okay, next we will just join your hands like this, take your feet like this and sit in Malasana. Other option, simply stand.
Now see there.
Both the feet more than shoulder width apart. Hand joining, chest out, and fit in Malasana. Yeah. Hold here. You can close your eyes and do belly breathing. Open the eyes.
Close. See
Open the
position expert. Not like this.
Same is there.
No. Ah, that's the same.
You're better. You're more down like this.
See
We try to fit back.
this shoulder line here.
He will fall off, I know.
No.
Okay, try to go down. Take your
थोड़ा ऐसा
shoulder
लेकर
back.
आए
Take
पीछे
your
नु आना
shoulder
थोड़ा
back.
यार ला रहा हूँ मड़े go
Okay,
go you
release your
can
hands.
raise your hands
Up,
Ah.
fall.
so much stretching
Now see, now look.
Okay. Now from here, hold your ankles. Inhale up. Exhale, fit. Don't move your belly from your thighs. Be, they should be joining. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Left 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now from here hold your elbows and hang in ragdoll. You can swing side to side.
Oh, hamstrings.
I think Sabi is calling for milk
No, Farah is there to take care of Fabi. Okay, release your hands and roll your body up.
when you say close your eyes I see Sarah is saying Lani change diaper oh.
Okay, now inhale, Tadasana. Take your heels and arms up. Exhale down. 10 times. 2, 3. Inhale up. Exhale down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, ready. Now we will go down. Ready. We will go up and hold there 10 count. Inhale and stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yoga teaches you balance also. 5, 4. Jahapana found stable. 3, 2,
अपना
1. Release.
This
Okay,
is
relax.
called experience.
You can walk on the
balance in life is very disturbed
Okay, one more standing pose and that will be tree pose. So place your left foot, take your right foot inside the thigh. Yes. Inhale, both the arms up and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay. Shake your legs. Other side. Right foot. Left foot inside. And tree pose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Jampana it's wrong
5, 4, 3, 2. Oh,
oh my god
He's every time like this.
This is balance. Very heavy thing here.
Going
very
into tree pose and coming back again.
In 2 months I will be
Starts.
very fine.
Yeah.
In 2 months I will be more.
Okay. Now come on your knees. And now tuck your toes back and fit in Vajrasana. Simply fit here, close your eyes and breathe. 3 breaths. Observe your breath. Okay, open the eyes. And now come to one side. Cat cow. Now from here, raise your right leg back and left hand and hold in the pose. 6, 5, 4, 3. Micah used to fall in this pose.
No, I have very good balance.
3, 2, 1. Release.
Weight should be distributed,
Yeah.
no
So
problem in
pointed or
balance.
Huh?
So pointed or tucked?
Any way you feel comfortable and you can maintain the balance. Anything. 6, 5. Back toe should be pointed. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, come back. And now from here, tuck your toes and meet me in down dog. Yeah, stay in down dog.
Japana,
Yes.
down.
Down.
Dog.
No.
Okay, now we will move from down dog to up dog. So, raise the heels and shift your weight towards the hands and come like this. This is up dog. You can point your toes and stay in up dog. Thighs will be off the mat.
Your dog is not straight.
Okay, again tuck the toes and meet me in down dog.
Yeah.
Okay, now we will do one thing. You can look towards me first. 2 options. One is right foot outside the right hand, left foot outside the left hand, and Malasana. Other option, if you are here, you can simply jump. Malasana. Very good. Shabash. Place the hands and down dog. Malasana. Down dog.
See, yoga is easy.
There should not be any sound of your feet. Be gentle. Nice landing. Okay, Malasana. Down dog. Malasana. Down dog. Okay, let's move together. 1, 2, 3, Malasana. Down dog. Malasana. Down dog. One last. Malasana. Down dog. Okay.
Next. Oi, oi. Oi, oi.
Okay. Move with baby steps towards your hands. Hand hang in rag doll again. Yeah. Okay. Now sit down and come on the mat. We will hold in boat pose 10 count. So this is boat pose. 6. Okay, 6 count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lie down. Let's do some rolling. So take your knees, hold and roll on your back.
This is the best thing.
Yeah, massage your spine properly.
I love this. And my back also loves this.
Because you are older enough. Aye.
Who is doing?
Young people. 3,
Young people doing.
2,
This gives energy.
1. Okay, lie down. Now figure 4 stretch. So bend your left leg, place your right ankle on the left knee, right ankle on the left knee. Okay, thread your right hand between the legs and left hand outside the left leg. Hold your left shin. Yeah, pull your shin towards the chest and hold in the stretch. 3, 2, 1. Switch the side. Left ankle on right knee, threading the left hand between the legs, right hand outside the right leg, and holding the right shin and pulling it towards the chest.
Bad thoughts go away.
So much money come in.
All
So much bad thing go away.
All stored.
Energy.
Bad energy.
Okay, release the pose.
Get released.
Both the feet up, hold outer arc of the feet and swing side to side in happy baby pose.
Happy baby.
Anand Balasana.
Wow.
If
Sabby
possible,
sometimes do this. Huh?
Yes.
always massage your lower back.
That's why babies are happy, na?
Fabi also does yoga almost every day with me.
He sit in Malasana.
A lot. He do splits also. Release and let's move to Shavasana.
Ji.
Shavasana. Expand your feet, place your hands beside
This is
the hips.
Baljeet's favorite yoga pose.
Mine also actually. Even when I was not into yoga, this was my favorite pose.
This should become longer.
Guys, important to note, both the hands should be facing Sakai, palms facing upward. This is the receptive mode. You were talking about money and grace and blessings. So this is the receptive mode when your hands are open towards the sky. So stay here with your breath.
Very relaxing.
Throw your weight and your thoughts on the mat, on the Mother Earth. Don't hold anything. Feel like you are in the lap of your mother and you are the safest person at this moment. Okay, let's bring the awareness back. Move your toes, wiggle your fingers one after the other. Turn your head to the right, then to the left. Bring your feet together. Interlock your fingers above head and stretch your body in Supta Tadasana. Give it a nice stretch. It is a posture correcting pose in lying position. So now bend your knees, taking palms under the head, turn to any preferable side and stay here one breath. Now taking support of the mat, come to seating posture. If possible, keep your eyes closed. If you want to adjust yourself, you can open the eyes also. Now we will do a little bit of pranayama and then we will close the session.
Hello.
Okay, let's sit here and we will start Anulom Vilom for 3 to 5 rounds only. Left hand in Gyan Mudra. You know Anulom Vilom? You don't know Anulom Vilom? Yeah. Vishnu Mudra. Right hand, right hand, right hand, right hand. First 2 fingers, yes. And we will use the thumb for closing the right nostril and ring finger for left nostril. And we will start by exhaling through left nostril and end the fashion by exhaling through left nostril. Left hand will be in Gyan Mudra. Yeah. Okay. Do it on your own. 3 breath. 4 exhale by left. Inhale by left. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. And continue. Release by exhaling through left nostril. And when you are done, come with both the hands in Gyan Mudra. Very gently open your eyes. Now we will do Bhramari, 3 rounds. So what we will do, cover the eyes with fingers and plug in the thumbs into the ears, and we will produce hum sound. Hum. And just listen to the instructions. Your sound should come through your belly. It should be in one sync like Om chant. Okay, let's do together. Cover your eyes, plug in your ears. Inhale. Inhale. Release when you are done. Release. Okay, release. I don't know how to get them out of the Bhramari now because their ears are also closed.
हैं?
I am paying
बस निकले हो ना?
It was so relaxing.
Yeah, it is actually. It is stress relieving.
You
Yes.
It
disturbed
activates
me.
your parasympathetic nervous system and
see,
relaxes.
just close your eyes and feel.
Yeah.
Just close your eyes and feel what's happening inside your body.
Same you do when we ask some money from you. Then you ask many questions.
Take whatever you need. Now I am in blissful state.
हैं जी चलो next.
Okay, just bring your both the hands.
Let's
to
modify
Gyan
gypsy.
Mudra.
Yes, tathastu.
We are ending the session with one Om chant. Inhale. As this is a learning session for you especially, so I am telling you, Om is not a sound. It is not related to religion. It might be, but it is the sound of the universe, and it constituted from 3 found A, O, and Ma. A comes from your root chakra, from your navel area. O comes from your heart chakra, and Ma comes from your crown area and your throat chakra, upper portion of the body, and it helps in activating the chakras. And just A, O, Ma. So we will try now.
You say ah, it should vibrate here. When you should oh, it should vibrate here. And when you sound ma, it should vibrate here. So now you will feel it. Close your eyes and feel.
We will chant only A first, okay? We will chant A and
Yeah.
2 times. I will guide. I'm teacher.
His
Okay.
husband, na?
Close, yeah. I was in trauma. Wait.
You just continue yoga. Don't discuss these things.
He reminds me of the tragedy husband.
In India, that happens.
Okay, close your eyes, spine straight. Inhale and A sound only. Okay guys, listen to the instructions. Mouth will be wide open and whole focus should be on this portion only. Okay, let's do once again. Inhale. Stay and feel. This time you must have felt the pressure in your pelvic region, and now we will chant O. Mouth will be round O, and the vibration will be in the heart area, heart chakra. Inhale. Once again. Inhale. Now next will be hum sound.
It is not oh, it's deeper from here.
Teacher, you stay.
I feel only when I have sound deeper.
Oh, chakado.
Okay. And next is ma sound. Once again, inhale. Now I want you to stay here with eyes closed and just observe your one breath only. Look at your posture with eyes closed. Bring your both the hands in Pranam Mudra. Join in front of your chest. Bow your head down. Be thankful to yourself for showing up on the mat today. Very gently rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on your eyes and open the eyes very slowly, looking towards the floor in front of you.
Anji?
Namaste. So fashion is
Your O was very dirty.
Bacha.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Again, O.
Oh.
you know it's round. A O M.
It's very bad. I don't like it.
Okay.
Wrong. Wrong. Music person can understand this.
Okay. Tell me.
One.
Open wide, open mouth.
One. Next. Oh. Wake up your inside musician.
Oh.
No. Understand if
You
you
want me to sing opera?
No. I teach you how. Oh, like this. From heart.
I think music rehearsal is coming and Gundara's music is coming soon. Okay, guys, let me tell you, many of you are joining as a new subscriber, and most of you will be new to yoga. If you really want to start your yoga journey, I am launching 30 days gentle yoga series that is easy to adapt for everyone. So you can start here, but I assure you, you will never regret, rather you regret that why yoga was missed from your life till date. Okay, so this is the most beautiful thing you can give it to yourself, and it is really effective. 360-degree in your life. It is about your health, it is about your mental health, it is about your purpose of being on this earth. Namaste.
So start today. I was thinking that I cannot do yoga, but after doing this 2-3 days, I think this is the best thing I started.